हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू वाइजर लैब यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में आपको न्यू डेटा 7 इंडस्ट्रीज वेयर एआई डोमिनेट्स द कन्वर्जेशन के बारे में बताऊंगा। उससे पहले आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें। चलते हैं अपनी वीडियो की तरफ। कॉर्नर बॉन्ड ऑन ट्यूसडे September 2023 रीडिंग टाइम 6 minutes. Last week I used data from a carry on competitor tracking software to show you that your competitors are talking about AI 5x more than they did in 2022. The data is in that blog post is industry agnostic. Is it present the average increase in AI related content across dozens of industries. In this blog post, we going to look within industries rather than across them specifically. We going to show you the year over year growth in AI related content in these 7 industries. Sales automation software, think Gong, Clary, etc. Human capital management software, think Paychex, Bamboo, HR, etc. Social media software, think Hotsuite, Sprout Social, etc. Project management software, think Airtable, Asana, etc. Trade intelligence software, think Anomaly, CrowdStrike, etc. Video marketing software, think Vimeo, Wistia, etc. Identity management software, think Ping Identity, Score Out, etc. Important context. Each of the 7 images you see below convention the insights captured by Carry On. An insight could be a blog post, a crucial media post, a press release, a new article, a job posting, a customer review, a website copy change. You get the idea. In total, Carry On technology captures or over 100 categories of insights from your competitors, digital footprints, and AI related insights in an insights that contains the keyword AI. Sales automation software. August 2022 Carry On captured 175 AI related insights. August 2023 Carry On captured 512 AI related insights. Air over air change plus 193%. The biggest peak occurred in June 2023 when Carry On captured 534 AI related insights that month. Sales Loft release rhythm and AI tool that helps sellers prioritize their daily activities. Number of AI released related insights captured by Carry On in the sales automation software industry. Think Gong Gallery etc. 512, 175, August 2022, August 2023. Human Capital Management Software. August 2022 Carry On captured 25 AI related insights. August 2023 Carry On captured 154 AI related insights. Over air change plus 516%. The biggest spike occurred in August 2023, the month ADP announced the addition of generative AI capabilities to their roll up. Number of AI related insights captured by Carry On in the HCM software industry. Think Paychex, Bombo, HR, etc. 154.25 August 2022, August 2023. Social media software. August 2022 Carry On captured 77 AI related insights. Uh, AI related insights. August 2023 Carry On captured 298 AI related insights. Year over year change plus 287%. The biggest spike occurred in June 2023 when Carry On captured 321 AI related insights that month. Sprinkle released a slew of AI features, including one that makes it easier for their users to build customer facing conversation boards. Number of AI related insights captured by Carry On in the social media software industry. Think Hotsuite, Sprout, Social, etc. 298, 77, August 2022, August 2023. Project management software. August 2022, Carry On captured 16 AI related insights. August 2022, Carry On captured 234 AI related insights. Year over year change plus 1363%. The biggest spike occurred in July 2023. Can Carry On captured 239 AI related insights that month. Smartsheet released a suite of generative AI features, including an assistant that can generate a formula based on a simple description of what the user needs to accomplish. Number of AI related insights captured by Carry On in the project. Management software industry. Think Airtable Asana EDC 234 16 August 2022 August 2023. Treat intelligence software August 2022. Uh, Carry On captured 145 AI related insights. August 2023. Carry On captured 376 AI related insights. Year over year change plus 152%. The biggest spike occurred in August 2023. That month, Splunk introduced their AI assistant. Number of AI related insights captured by Carry On in the trade. Intelligent software industry. Think Anomaly, CrowdStrike, etc. 376, 149. August 2022, August 2023. Video marketing software. August 2022. Carry On captured 68 AI related insights. August 2023. Carry On captured 434 AI related insights. Year over year change plus 538%. The biggest spike occurred in August 2023. That month, ON24 hosted a webinar in which they showed their customers how their AI engine can help automate the content creation process. Number of AI related insights captured by Carry On in the video. Marketing software industry. Think Vimeo, Vistia, etc. 434 68. August 2022, August 2023. Identity management software. August 2022. Carry On captured 32 AI related insights. August 2023. Carry On captured 268 AI related insights. Year over year change plus 738%. The biggest spike occurred in August 2023. That month, Ping Identity published a blog post about the role that their solutions play in mitigating the risk posed by AI. Number of AI related insights captured by Carry On in the identity management software industry. Think Pink Identity Secure Out etc. 268 32 August 2022 August 2023. If you are feeling overwhelmed by your competitive landscape, the competitor so if you can't can help. If your industry is everything anything like the seven wave covered in this blog post, you are probably overwhelmed by the volume of competitive information that exists on the internal internet, the AI related stuff, and our otherwise. We created the competitor sufficient number that present represent the threat that a competitor poses to your company. To help you feel less overwhelmed, you can learn more about it in this blog post. Corner Bond. Corner Bond is on the marketing team at Carry On. If for whatever reason you were to rip his headphones off his head and put them on yourself, you probably hear Weekends Friends और चार्ली एक्स सी एक्स। तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।